drag this out. There's a dinner I'm in no hurry to get to. Okay. Plan B then.
Ben, he absorbed the energy from my proto tool. I think that you are only making him stronger.
Quicker with the info next time, partner.
Now, Ben.
If you feed off energy, let's see what happens when I take it away.